Yeah, welcome to Knaus Tabbert's elevator pitch together with seat 11A. Knaus Tabbert is a supplier and producer of leisure vehicles for the European market. For more than 100 years, our brands and vehicles have stood for competence, innovation, strength, quality, and above all, a first-class caravanning experience. What is our mission? We change the way people go on vacation. And this with 4 plants all over Europe, 3 of them in Germany, 1 in Hungary. 500 dealers all over Europe, 3,500 trained and qualified people. The revenue in the last 5 years developed from close to 600 million to 863 million. In the same time, EBITDA grew from 54 million to 61 million. We do this all with 5 different brands: the Tab, WEINSBERG, Knaus, Tabbert, and MORELO. With a closer look at our brand portfolio, you see that we cover all segments with the caravans, with camper vans, and mobile homes. All these brands offer a different price range starting from 11,000 euros up to 750,000 euros, covered by our MORELO luxury segment. What are our products in a nutshell? We start with caravans, starting with a compact class up to a luxury class. This is covered by our brand Tabbert. We offer camper vans in all different kinds and also mobile homes, starting from an alcove to semi-integrated and fully integrated versions. And here also some images, what we do in the luxury segment. You see here, these are luxury liners, as I said before, starting by 250,000 euros up to 750,000 euros. And the bigger ones of them also include a detail, a garage for your second car, taking with you on your road trip. Yeah, and we are not offering our products to the end customer. We are also offering our rental business since 5 years now. 5 years ago, we made a decision to offer rent and travel as a rental business. It belongs now to the top 3 players in the European market. And the strategic purpose behind was to connect the customer at a very early stage to our brands, Knaus and WEINSBERG especially, give them the chance to rent it, to experience it, and finally make also the buying decision sooner or later. And the success of this product proves us right. When you see the numbers here, in all segments, we talk about rental duration, turnover, average spending for rental, all these figures performed by almost 20% compared to last June 2021. And also when we see on the lower right here, who are our customers? Again, here you see that about 2/3 of all these customers are young agers in an age between 18 to 35 to 44 years. These are the customers, our buying customers of tomorrow. Talking about the megatrends, what makes this market so unique, so special in current days? There are many drivers we see as sustainable development and not linked, as many say, via COVID-19 profiteur. You see new work, product enhancements, innovation and connectivity, neo-ecology, demographic change, regional tourism, younger customers, and also our sharing economy, our rental platform. All these trends support the growth in the past and also support the growth in the next couple of weeks, years, and so on. When we now have a look, what is the market? What is the CIVD, the Caravan Industry Association Germany? What is the forecast, the prospects for the next couple of years? I mean, you have to be fair here. This outlook was last published in November 2021, before all these negative effects weighed on the market. You see here the forecast for the European market is expected to grow by 7%. And we have a look on the right side here, what is the forecast for the German market? You see that the German market is expected to grow by more than 10% compound growth rate. This is what we see, this is what we believe in, and this is why we are investing into the future. A strong market position is the good basis for further growth. We have a look at detail about our different brands and what is their market position in Europe and in the biggest German market. You see that all our brands, all our premium brands are quite well represented in the European and in the German market with top market positions, either in Europe or in Germany. And also here, caravan and motorhomes, we are quite well positioned to grow and to perform. What is the order backlog? What is the purpose? What is the basis for our decisions and investments? You see here, for the last 4 quarters, our order book is constantly beyond the 1 billion euro threshold. And also in the second quarter of this year, which was released just recently, we're seeing an order book of 1.4 billion. And when we make a deep dive, we see also the trend for motorized vehicles. We have an order book which is covered by 75% only by motorhomes. And also when we see what is the order intake in the last couple of quarters, you see also that also in the last 2 quarters, starting of the year, we gained 18,000 new orders for the model year 2023. Supply chain. In the last couple of months, the entire industry, not only the leisure vehicle industry, is facing significant challenges resulting from the supply chain bottlenecks. 1 year ago, Knaus Tabbert was more or less a pure supplier and producer of motorhomes based on a Fiat Ducato. Just a few of them were produced in MAN or Mercedes. In the last 18 months, last 12 months, we signed contracts with almost every relevant supplier OEM for the caravanning industry. And today we have contracts with Mercedes, Ford, VW, Fiat, and also MAN. With all those customers, we will increase the content of supplied chassis for our products. And for this year, we see a significant change in volume mix towards the new suppliers, the new OEMs for motorized chassis. And connected to this, we also launched 18 new models for the model year 2023, being able to reduce delivery dates to the end customer, being able to offer the best variety of models and brands to the end customer. This also requires investments. It requires more capacity. And therefore, we launched about 1 year ago, we launched an investment program of about 220 million euro of investment volume for doubling the capacity at more or less all our plants. You see here also a picture of the biggest investment currently in progress. This is a 24,000 square meter production facility in Jandelsbrunn. And this gives us the chance to grow with the market, to shorten delivery times, and also to grow the company in terms of sales, but also in terms of profit in the next years. Thank you for listening. And if you have further questions on Knaus Tabbert and its future growth expectations, please contact me either by phone or by email. Thank you again.